Hey, Dino Detectives, Rocky here, and today we're off to the wild deserts of Arizona. Did you know that long ago, this dry land was once home to amazing dinosaurs? Millions of years ago, Arizona was wetter and greener, filled with plants and animals. Famous dinosaurs like Coelophysis, the speedy meat-eater, and Plateosaurus, a big plant-eater, lived right here. Paleontologists have found dinosaur fossils in Arizona's rocks and even in the petrified forest. Sometimes they discover bones, teeth, or footprints left in ancient mud. If you ever visit Arizona, look for colorful rocks or fossils. Each one tells a story about the creatures that lived here long ago. You might even spot pieces of ancient wood turned into stone. Thanks for exploring the desert with me. Keep asking questions and searching for dino clues, because adventure is always just around the corner. See you next time on Dino Detectives.